The Disappearing Rainforest by Javier Gutierrez, JoJo, and Bryan.
Rainforest, equality, pyramid, Brazil, image of it. And why are rainforests being destroyed? One reason why rainforests are being destroyed is for beef. Millions of acres of rainforests are cut down and burned, and the rainforests are being destroyed because the value of rainforest land is preserved as only the value of its timber. To clear land is then turned into grass, pasture for cows. Is that rainforests are being destroyed because of the destruction, deforestation.